Alright, this is Lux Gaming, and I just want to tell you something. So anyway, oh gosh. So anyway, so it was said that if you turn on your Xbox, just regular Xbox on my grandma's house because she has one. If you keep it on the menu screen for a while, you can actually hear some stuff. So let's see if we hear it. Like at the beginning of the movie, you heard something like really creepy. So let's see if we hear something. Wow, do you see that? Did you hear that? Yeah, that's pretty creepy. All right. Sorry, just how they had him here, keeping it like this. This will work. You hear that? Oh gosh. What is he saying? Like, is he like saying, "Do you read?" Yes, I read. It's Xbox. I'm so scared right now. Okay, that's all. That's all I can show right now. So hold on. All right. I just had to like do something real quick. Okay. So yeah. Anyway, it's still like going. I have to turn up the volume like really high to hear this because it's pretty creepy. Okay, let's keep listening. I'm just waiting for something to jump up and jump scare me. Do you do? That's so weird. So weird. Okay, I think that's all I can. That's all I'm going to show you for now. Okay, that was it for today. I'm actually writing a script for a video that's going to be coming out soon. Also, just to let you know about the Zelda top 5 Zelda games I told you about that I was going to do today. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that today because like I have a lot of stuff to do. So yeah, but I will upload it as soon as possible because I have a lot of videos I want to like do for like my gaming channel and my secondary channel. So yeah, anyway, that was the creepy stuff heard on the original Xbox. So if you have one of these, you can always do this. Turn up your volume like really high and you can hear this weird stuff. Okay, bye.